Hi there, I'm Kristen, and I'm with One Focus Property Management. Today, I'm taking you on the tour of 2435 Woodward Ave, apartment number 3 in Lock Haven, Pennsylvania. This is a one-bedroom, one-bathroom apartment located on the top floor of the building, and it's got some pretty unique features that you're going to fall in love with. So sit back and relax. I'm going to walk you through this amazing place, and after I do that, I'm going to tell you how to make this the next place that you're definitely wanting to call home. So let's go. So as always, we're starting outside. So you can see over here on the other side of my car, there is a dumpster, your mailboxes, and then you can see there is ample parking up here. So you're going to come up this way right here, and this is a common entryway. So when you open the door, you'll have this door shut. And then here is apartment 3. So we're going to go up the steps. We are going to check it out. So when you get up to the top, you're in your eat-in kitchen. You've got a little space over here for a cutesy little table, a full-size fridge, you get a full-size stove, and then this little bank of cabinets here. Nice and open, adds a lot of airiness to the space. And there is closet over here. It's massive. So you have a lot of storage space in this little closet here. You're gonna come right through here and you have your living room. You will be able to set up a really nice space with some creativity. I love that you have this window. Can we give it a wow or what? The view out here is gorgeous and it's open. So you have this beautiful open concept space. Now when you come through here, you come into your living or your bedroom. I'm sorry, I got a little excited about the view. Plenty of room to do a king size bed in here. This is a nice size bedroom. And then you have your closet here for storage. You've got a little storage there, a little storage there, a little storage there. So there is some spaces to store things. You have more storage here in the bathroom, perfect for like linens and toilet paper and cleaning supplies. Just gonna open that up. Definitely put some brooms and dustpans in there. And then you have a very unique bathroom space. You've got a vanity with storage, you've got a medicine cabinet mirror, and then you have this huge bathtub, and then obviously your shower head. Little unique situation here to be able to put up a curtain, but not impossible, especially because we've already thought of how you're gonna hang something. So this place is super cute and super cozy, and the only thing that's missing is you. So what you need to do to make this your place is go to our website at www.onefocuspm.com. You can look at our listings and be able to find all the information about this property. You can book your tour and you can even submit your application. If you'd like to talk to a live person today, give us a call at the office at 570-505-3347. At One Focus Property Management, we pride ourselves in helping people just like you find that next place that they're calling home. So check out the website, give us a call today because y'all, I'm anxious to help you make this your place.